Have you come across HomeDetailKit.com and thinking of buying something? Before you order, let's take a closer look. Is it a trusted store or one to avoid? HomeDetailKit.com is an online store offering a range of products at low prices. But before you buy, it's smart to check a few things. First, look at the product listings. Are they offering expensive items at huge discounts? If prices are way lower than other sites, that's a red flag. Check the product images. Are they high quality, or do they look copied from other websites? Scam sites often steal photos and list fake products. Now, visit the About Us page. A legit store shares real business details like a company name, a physical address, and how long they've been around. Check the contact info. Is there a working phone number? A business email, not just Gmail or Yahoo? Can you verify their address on Google Maps? Next, check real customer reviews. Don't rely on their website. Search Google, Trustpilot, or SiteJabber. No reviews, or just a few. That's a red flag. Also, check when the site was created using a domain checker tool. If it's new and lacks real reviews, be careful. Before buying from my-homedetailkit.com, check all these details. Always do your research before shopping online. For safe online shopping, or if things go wrong, learn the steps to try and get a refund by checking the link in the I button, description, or pinned comment. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and share to help others avoid scams.